Local news for Friday the 25th of August. More than 100 people attended the dawn blessing of the new Whaiora premises yesterday morning. Now at their new site on Queen Street, Whaiora will continue to offer the same level of care with the opportunity to grow. Closed today, they will reopen from their new premises on Monday. Wairarapa and Manawatu have been chosen as two geographical areas of community networks to partake in a survey on family and sexual violence. To support this work, two frameworks have been developed: the Family Violence, Sexual Violence and Violence Within Whānau and Workforce Capability Framework, and the Risk Assessment and Management Framework. The annual Young Winemaker of the Year regional competition was held at the Eastern Institute of Technology in Hawke's Bay last week, with Sarah Addis from Trinity Hill Winery taking out first place and Tom Hydemarsh from Martinborough's Dry River coming a close second. Both Sarah and Tom will represent the North Island in Auckland, competing against the first and second place winners of the South Island on Wednesday the 20th of September. And the Mitre 10 Heartland competition kicks off tomorrow. Farriers Wairarapa Bush will head away and take on favourites and defending champions Wangadui. Wairarapa Bush are rated 6th equal with Mid-Canterbury at the TAB to take out the competition. And Wairarapa Development will play the curtain raiser. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.